To my class. こちらのチャンネルにようこそ. Before we jump into speaking Japanese, let's get a few things clear. Do you understand the character relationships in the clip?
Hi, you're Lloyd's work wife, and Lloyd is yours work husband.
はい、そうですよ. Knowing how characters relate helps you understand the language flow better. What is formal and informal to you?
Use example of wakarimashita is formal, wakatta is informal.
What level and color do you only want to focus on?
I'm a beginner, so I use Genki 1, and I only focus on N5 and the orange color.
Know your level and color and focus only on those to avoid distractions from new words. For example, JLPT N5 or Genki Textbook 1, look for orange. JLPT N4 or Genki Textbook 2, look for green, and so on. Step 2, memorization in your native language. Why is it beneficial for you to understand your own language first before shadowing?
It's good to understand what they are saying in your own language first so that you can focus on understanding the Japanese grammar and speech.
Is this everything?
これだけですか?
It is. Hi.
Not much to contend
少
with.
ないですね.
I wanna welcome you to Anya's house. 안녕,에いらっしゃいませ.
Step 3, reviewing. Leave any new vocab and distractions aside. So if you don't understand the rest of the new thing, it's okay because we concentrate on the orange. So do you know what the verb is, or no, we can move on?
We can move on.
Okay, hi. Try to explain and recall all or most of the grammar and vocabulary you've learned before. Here is my student's example. Hers is a bit too perfect, but here is her explanation, Dalzo.
He missed out the particle because he's speaking casually.
Hi, so desu.
And then Anna, he uses all because it's the object of the sentence. Imotoga is his younger sister. Ninate is to turn or to become.
This step can take you a good 5 to 15 minutes depending on the student, so repeat this clip as many times as you need.
荷物、これだけですか?
はい。
少ないですね.
안녕,에いらっしゃいませ.
Step 4, shadowing. Do you know how to shadow?
Put the subtitles on.
Are you sure that you haven't
Are you
seen them
sure
for the time
that you
being?
haven't seen them for the time being?
All right.
And you're positive that you haven't seen them recently.
Isn't that called shadowing? Where you mimic how others talk?
Yeah.
That's cool, but haven't you been fluent in that language for a little while now?
You have to practice, or you can forget over time.
Makes sense.
Let's learn how to use different speeds to practice.
荷物、これだけですか?
荷物、これだけですか? 荷物、これだけですか?
はい。はい。
少ないですね. 少ないですね.
안녕,에いらっしゃいませ. 안녕,에いらっしゃいませ. 안녕,에いらっしゃいませ.
荷物、これだけですか?
See what Lloyd-san used to her. Formal or informal?
I'm used to seeing verbs, formal and informal, like if he said taberu instead of tabemas. I'm pretty sure the fact that he's using des means that it's formal, right?
It is formal. Yeah, he is using formal. Why is he using formal?
Because they don't know each other very well.
So, they don't know each other very well. So desu.
Which is like, I think it is a little weird for like a normal, so like the context here makes it kind of confusing. I've seen the show, so I know.
Yeah.
But you would think if it's his wife, you would think that it would be informal. because they know each other.
Yeah, so it needs someone. It kind of requires some audience that they kind of know the show in order to have fun learning from. So like,
I think this one's like almost perfect because it's just like a family, like household setting, so it's easy to understand. Only thing is just the weird fact that like they don't actually know each other, so it makes the formal and informal feel kind of weird. Because if I hadn't seen the show, I would wonder why he was speaking to her with formal.